You won't find nobody better than I. Who better than Kai? Rhetorical, don't need no reply.
Hi guys, it's Kai and I'm back with another hair tutorial. This one is going to be pretty simple as always, like all of my other tutorials. So today we're going to do a sleek ponytail with a middle part. I'm going in with me some products just to soften my hair up because I did not wash my hair this week, so my hair is a little bit unmanageable because I just took down some plaits that I had when I had my wig. I'm just zoning in on that little patch. I know I got that little patch that came out of my head, and I've been focusing on it so it can get back to growing. So I'm just using all the products that I normally use when I am trying to do my hair. I went in with my leave-in conditioning mist from the Canvas Beauty brand. I also took that concoction that I made. You guys already know that I'm always talking about that concoction that I really love. And yeah, now I'm taking all of these other products that I have been using. That little tube that y'all just saw me with, that's just my stuff that I got from the dermatologist. I just squeezed it out and put it into that because it makes it easier for me to remember to use it every day. So I ended up just putting it in there. And then I got my little oil from the Canvas Beauty brand, the serum from the Canvas Beauty brand that I have been using for my hair, that is really thickening my hair up. Mostly all of the products that I use on my hair are Canvas Beauty brand because the Canvas Beauty brand is my favorite brand for hair products. Like, y'all, no tea, I can't wait to do that review for y'all. But anyways, that's just that leave-in conditioning cream from the Canvas Beauty brand, and I just took that to make my hair more manageable. Y'all can see how my hair is really getting thick. It's really growing good, but you know, we got problem areas that we still have to work on. So now I'm just taking a pick and I'm just creating me a middle part for my ponytail because we're gonna get this thing right, y'all. We're gonna get this thing right. I have an outfit in mind, and I feel like a middle part is going to be really cute with the outfit that I'm going to wear. So that's why I'm doing this middle part ponytail, and it's gonna be really sleek. Now when it comes to me doing a low ponytail, because it is going to be a low ponytail, when it comes to me doing a low ponytail, I like to start in the back of my hair. I have to take my time when doing a low sleek ponytail with my hair because you want to make sure you're focusing in on the crevices really good because you want it to be really sleek. And if your hair is thicker, thick, honey, you're gonna have to use a lot of product up. My favorite edge control that I like to use is the Edge Effect, and it's by Magic. That's my favorite brand of edge control that I like to use, and I like to go into two different types of edge controls from the Edge Effect brand, from the Magic brand. Edge Effect, girl, y'all know we always sound a hot mess when we doing a voiceover. But anyways, I'm taking that second edge control and just, you know, land my hair a little flat out more than it already is. And then I have to take edge control to focus in on the sides of my edges because I'm trying to hide my thin edges. The good thing about a middle ponytail is the fact that you can lay your hair down and hide those spots or thinning spots or anything that you may have in your head. I know with me, I do have some thinning parts in my hair, and I have those thin edges. So I have I like to go over my edges and those thinning parts with a colored edge control, and that helps me to make my edges look full. And I have to just tell y'all that in this video because I didn't show it on camera, but the brand of colored edge control that I use is the Own Natural, and that is my favorite. I use that in a lot of my past hair tutorials. So girl, check out any of my other hair tutorials and you can see exactly what hair edge control that I am talking about. And that's basically all that I do to achieve a low sleek ponytail, y'all, because I have plenty of videos on my low sleek ponytail. So I'm letting it sit overnight, and I'm just putting my head wrap on it, a silk head wrap on it, and I'm just gonna let it sit overnight, and then we're gonna come back tomorrow and I'm gonna show y'all how I got a ponytail on my hair. So now it's the next day, and you guys see how my hair looks really sleek. With the back of my hair, when I put the hair in the bow wrapper, I don't have to use any hair anymore, which makes things so much perfect. So I just take two braid hair bundles from Pack of Braid Hair, and I just put both of them onto my hair because I wanted my ponytail to look a little thick. And as always, your hair is going to have a little plait in the back, and you're going to want to cover that up. So you take a little bit of the hair from the back of your ponytail and wrap that around so it can mask the little knot that you have from your real hair. You want to be able to cover that knot up so people won't be clocking you, and that's basically all that I did. Now I went back over my hair because, you know, once you sleep on your hair, it does get a little bit funky looking overnight. So you just want to take a little bit edge control, go back over the edges of your hair so you can lay those edges down and it won't be clockable, you know, because you don't want if you have thinny edges like myself, you don't want to be clocked. Yeah, you guys can see my thinner edges, but like I said, I didn't go on camera to show you guys, but I do have that colored edge control that I use to cover up my thinning edges, and that works perfect for me. And that's basically all that I did to achieve this ponytail. This was one of my favorite hairstyles. This is one of my favorite hairstyles that I love to do on my hair because it's so simple, yet it can be so freaking classy. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I'm sensual caramel with a touch of butter, best of both worlds, sophisticated in them gutter.